My name is Marie Bourne, and I'm one of the developers at Braustin, working on sales portal and the customer-facing website and lots of code. Got a couple of old and odd cars. Hot rodding, I enjoy photography. I kind of mixed those two hobbies together, going to car shows and taking artistic photos of everybody else's cars. I like gardening. I've got a bunch of fruit trees and things like that, and who knew I was going to enjoy that? Gardening by Google. Before Braustin, I was in a completely different career. I was a creative manager for a company called Harkin. I was interested in the web. Coding, it's problem solving. There's no one right way to make it do something. You put any set of developers together, each one is going to come up with a different way to get there. The things that I'm building are making it easier for customers to navigate the website, find homes they like. I took a coding boot camp.
With Josh?
Yeah, I was one of his students, yeah. Then when the position came up at Braustin, and he asked me if I was interested, and so I applied, and here I am.
Nice. Do you prefer beach or mountains?
Mountains, definitely. They're just way more interesting. Beach, they're kind of the same everywhere. Braustin's been great so far. Everybody's been very nice and welcoming. One of the things that really attracted me to Braustin was the customer testimonials that you guys have. That customer loyalty and enthusiasm about a company says that they're really doing something right. In my role, I'm not customer facing. I don't really have any interaction with them, but knowing that we are a company that our customers love tells me that I'm in a good place. Just the idea of we're building the company we want to work for, I appreciate that. Still relatively new to development, and so I'm definitely looking to grow there and continue learning my own trade. I like that Braustin has ambitious plans and on the dev side of things. I think it's new programs that they want to start, and so I think that there's plenty of room to grow there and learn new things as Braustin needs new things. You know, if you'd asked me that when I was a little kid, I would have told you I wanted to be an astronaut. Would have said, absolutely, I'm going there. That was before the first time I got on an airplane, and suddenly it wasn't quite as appealing. There's still so much of this planet I haven't seen, and I would like to do more exploring here, but I would also totally be open to going into space if the opportunity arose.